Mr. Ashok Somani, the visionary founder of Automation Engineers A.B Pvt Limited, laid the foundation for excellence in 1998. Guided by his leadership, we have become a trusted name in the technology-driven world, delivering precision-engineered solutions that transform industries and set new benchmarks for innovation. Over the years, we have grown into a reputed organization, providing cutting-edge system integration solutions that power the manufacturing sector in India and globally. Our commitment to quality, precision, and timely delivery has set us apart in the industry.
At AEAB, we believe in a customer-first approach. From start to finish, our objective is to deliver an experience that always exceeds expectations. It is this philosophy that has brought us to where we are and drives us to continuously innovate and refine our processes. Our satisfaction comes from the satisfaction and trust of our customers.
We boast a vast network across India and a strong global footprint spanning 10 countries worldwide.
With advanced technology and an intricate manufacturing process, we're able to get the highest accuracy and best quality for our customers' automation needs. Collaborating with leading control systems providers, we deliver transformation for our customers' IT and OT synergy objectives. We deliver solutions like Industry 4.0, Industrial IoT, predictive analytics with AI, network, cybersecurity, and the architectures that come along with the same.
We are the leading manufacturer a wide array of products including MCC Panels, PCC Panels, Drive Panel, MCC Control Panel, PLC Panels, and others. Our commitment to quality, precision, and timely delivery has set us apart in the industry. Welcome to our mega factory, where skilled craftsmanship and cutting-edge machinery come together to create innovative, high-efficiency products. With purpose and readiness, employees enter, poised to shape the future. Inside, a sprawling, dynamic environment reveals itself, where skilled professionals move in synchronized harmony, embodying the strength and dedication that drive our visionary success. Every product that leaves our facility is a testament to our commitment to excellence. We source genuine raw materials and employ high-end technology to ensure accuracy in every detail. Automation Engineers A.B Pvt Limited empowers professionals and students with expert training for success in today's industries. As Siemens SIPEN license partners, we deliver cutting-edge solutions, modernizing industries with world-class systems. Our team of dedicated professionals works tirelessly, combining traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology to create products that meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Combining traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology to create products that meet the highest standards of quality and performance.